And we are in motion in Vancouver in the CONCACAF.
Away at Cavalier. They won 2-0 at Sporting Kansas. Going to try and keep it tight and make life difficult for Vancouver.
One loss against LAFC, which they turned around in the second leg in the quarterfinal. But we shouldn't take it for granted.
No, it is brilliant. And it's not just the goal, as I mentioned earlier, the goal against LAFC to equalize.
They were a playoff team in MLS, but they wanted Nil Rios. And into the middle for Brian White, and just out of his reach.
That's the danger. If that ball's a little bit more accurate, a little bit softer, Brian White gets to this year. That might.
This is in for Suarez, just behind him. Comes to the top of the area. Busquets to... Into the middle it comes. Touch to the edge of the area. Then Brian White! And Brian White remains red final.
Max Falcone, the Uruguayan, who should have taken it a little bit closer, because once he gets of being 2 or 3, 5-1 win recently, and Javier Macho next to them in the table, 5-1. There's some outfit, and what a job that Jesper Sorensen's done as a new coach here. He's saying
chops down Lionel Messi. Miami do not. 45 gone, 45 to go, and they'll over Inter Miami. They've made a change coming out of halftime as we're back underway.
Against Austin at home, he was top class. So it's maybe some one away goals counting double. So getting a goal for Inter Miami absolutely crucial.
The referee goes to the pocket. It's yellow that he's producing for now, and
first half, these tackles are going to keep on flying.
Absolutely steaming into that against Ocampo, and then Blackman over to defend his teammate goes into the book as well. It's still just Brian White's goal holding up so far for Vancouver in this first leg. Lead into the second leg this time. Down the line, the run is from Allende, who, remember, we said at the start, he's just 19 years old.
Much joy out of either fullback.
Campo lifts it in, and White is up for it. It's up in the air for Ustari. 60 minutes gone, 30 to go. Still quickly in for Yannick Bright. Pedro Vite. And then Berhalter over the bar. What a chance.
Beautifully set up there.
Doing a bit of everything for them tonight. Here goes Sabi on the run, trying to dribble. Here comes a double chain. Busquets. And Bright again. Wilson, a winger. Some speed. 6 minutes to go. Forward by Booth for
Berhalter. You've got to hit target. He's done so much of the hard work.
And Sabi accelerates. And again. Slide. Into the middle. It's behind White. And a Walter. It's 2.
Do it once again. Jaden Nelson with fresh leg.
Big trouble. He slammed it in. Sebastian Berhalter.
In down that right-hand side. But give Sebastian Berhalter.
And now just a few minutes left for Inter Miami to salvage something from this.
By Vancouver. They've got numbers behind the ball. They've given the position. This result holds.
Foul there. The whole Vancouver.
It's been a tough night for Lionel Messi.
Keeps it in play. Nelson. And Nelson motors away.
It's nearly 70%. All the big chances have fallen to Vancouver.
Wins a free kick. Shown for that foul from the wing this time. He takes it short, and it's returned to him.
Zul in the final. They're not going to be able to overturn this because he's looking for the free kick. Is Messi.
Sebastian Burr in danger. Can they create something? Short for Noah L. The Whitecaps are 90 minutes from a continental final after they sweep in. The scene will shift. 60,000 plus at BC Place tonight.